Everybody, I need you guys to start blowing through.
The heat was on to catch the biggest bass on the brisk Saturday morning of October 19th as over 200 two-man teams competed in the 9th annual Fishing for Freedom tournament at Lake Belton. Soldiers appreciate the unique opportunity the tournament provides.
It's my second year in a row doing it. It gets me out of my room. I usually bank fish, so getting a chance to fish off a boat's a big difference, and just the prizes, it makes you concentrate more. You're trying different things you usually don't do, and it just makes you try harder than usual.
Fishing for Freedom promotes a relaxed environment for soldiers and boaters to interact and enjoy the day. Fishing pros ensured everything was ready for a flawless performance.
I was up till 10 o'clock last night, making sure all my line was restrung, all my baits were right, all the hooks are right. You have to be prepared physically and mentally for a tournament.
The team of Bill Guzman and Dustin Roberts took first place with 5 fish totaling just over 15 pounds, including the 8.9-pound big bass competition winner caught by Roberts. Army Sergeant Woodbridge Dean Bullock, Lake Belton, Texas.